Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the Telegram liquid glass design on your iPhone. So let's get straight into the video. So if you're using the latest version of iOS or Telegram on iOS, the design is largely active by default. You can manage and fine-tune these within the app. So what you can do is simply go ahead and open your settings first on your iPhone. And now you want to simply go ahead inside of display and brightness. And firstly, you want to simply go ahead and turn on the liquid glass right over here. You can put it to clear or tinted first. I normally prefer clear because it is more visible, as you can see. It's also visible down here. As you can see, that is it. Now, if you open your Telegram application, and now you can simply go ahead and check for the navigation bars and search bars that are going to be liquid glass, just like that. So as you can see, it is going to be by default. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.